Let's make the pretzel from the office.
Hi, please tell me you have a sweet pretzel left.
We do.
Thank God.
And we have 18 different toppings. We have sweet glaze, cinnamon sugar, chocolate, white chocolate, fudge, M&Ms, caramel dip, mint chip, chocolate chip, marshmallows, nuts, toffee nuts, coconut, peanut butter drizzle, Oreos, sprinkles, cotton candy bits, and powdered sugar.
Is there any way that you could do all of them?
The works, you got it.
All right. Thank you.
Here's how you can make from the office. Here's how you can make
Fettuccine Alfredo.
from the office.
Time to carbo load.
Now this is a really super easy recipe. In a pan, let's add some butter, minced garlic, heavy cream, and give this a stir on low to medium heat. Now you can add some onion powder, black pepper, and a whole bunch of Parmesan cheese. Now you want to let this sit for a bit while your pasta cooks. We'll be using fettuccine, and cook this just until al dente, and then you want to cook the rest of the pasta with some of the pasta water in the actual sauce. And that's pretty much it. Wait until this gets nice and thick, and for some reason the office made it look really good coming out of this takeout container.
Oh, Alfredo sauce.
Here's how you can make
Chicken piccata side salad.
from the office.
Chicken piccata salad on the side, please.
I'll start with a side salad and chicken piccata.
Chicken piccata side salad.
Side salad, chicken piccata on the side.
I'll start with the side salad, then the chicken piccata.
Steak, rare.
I'm not sure if you're supposed to eat this by itself or if you're supposed to accompany this with maybe, I don't know, rice or pasta. That's a buttery chicken breast. I don't know if that's the juiciest chicken breast or the greasiest because there's just a whole bunch of butter in here, but it's good. It's not dry at all. I like the lemon and the capers in that. It actually works. There isn't a whole bunch of masala in here apart from the salt and pepper that was in the flour, but I guess not everything always needs masala. I get that, but it wouldn't hurt if you put some spice in here. I think I'm just gonna make some pasta and then mix that with this, and then it'll be a complete meal. 8.3 out of 10.